Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be talking kind of low because my daughter is asleep in the other room. And don't mind my nails. My finger here the nail decided to pop off right before the video that I filmed before this one. Oh, is there shadows? Let's see if I can fix it's a little bit better. Alright, so today I wanted just to go over the 5 kits that I'll be using for January. Technically, the first week of January is the 4th of January in this Recollections, but I don't agree with it, and I really wanted to show this. So, these are the 5 kits I'll be using: Almost Midnight, Sweat and Shine, Boss Babe, Mist to Mrs., and Home Sweet Home. This is going to be a very, very quick video, just like I've done before. I just wanted to show that and also show you that nothing needs to be themed. For me, this is kind of themed, but yeah, I wanted to show that these are the ones I'm going to use, and in this order as well. So spoiler alert, this is what you get to look forward to. If you want to see these more detailed, all of the stuff that I got for each of these kits, make sure to check out my haul, which I will link down below. And yeah, look forward to all of the base layouts coming up in the next week. So yeah, that's actually it, you guys. Very, very quick for January, and I'll show you. First week of January in this Recollections is January 4th. But since I didn't buy the week of New Year's until I got my kit, or until this kit came out, you know, I still consider it more January than December. But anyways, yeah, these are the 5 kits: Almost Midnight, Sweat and Shine, Boss Babe, Mist to Mrs., and Home Sweet Home. I do think these go better together because in the first few weeks of January, we do have New Year's, and then we have the whole, okay, I'm gonna make a bunch of goals and try to stick to it. This second to last week right here is the week that my husband asked me to be his girlfriend. It'll be 14 years that we've been in a relationship. And though I was thinking about doing lovebirds, I really like this kit. And it's also a hint to one of my best friends that they need to get married soon. So that way I can use this for their week that they're getting married as well. The Home Sweet Home, I'm kind of just marking it as we've been in our house for almost 6 months. Probably should have used this for like 6 months, but I don't know. I just thought it kind of went with the color scheme and everything, and just kind of first full month in 2021 that we lived in our house. So yeah, that is it for my chatty 3.5 minute video, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be the January monthly spread that is coming very soon, followed by all the base layouts and plan with me's and memory spreads and all that jazz. So I'll see you guys in the next day or so. Bye! Oh, and also don't you forget to make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And now I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.